Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox Error Code 279. So let's get started. The first thing you should do is visit statusroblox.com. Check whether all Roblox services are running normally. If there's an outage or maintenance in progress, that's likely why you're unable to join a game. If everything looks operational, open Windows Settings menu. Use the search bar to look for Troubleshoot Settings, then open it. Next, select Other Troubleshooters and find Network and Internet. Here, you gotta click Run. Windows will scan your internet connection and check for any network-related problems. If an issue is detected, follow the on-screen instructions to repair it. If no problems are found, there are still a few things you can try. Restart your Wi-Fi adapter, reboot your modem or router, or test your connection by opening another website to confirm your internet is working properly. If you're still seeing error code 279 after trying these steps, you may want to follow additional Roblox network troubleshooting methods, such as those used for error code 268, since some of the fixes can also help with this issue.